What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. It's your boy Jim Graphics. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to design a table calendar, a simple Nike table calendar in CorelDRAW. If you're new here, consider subscribing. You know the rules by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future upload. These are the stock images we'll be using for this tutorial, so I will link all this in the down description below. It's attached with a mockup, so I'm gonna put this mockup with the link so you can download and make use of it. So guys, let's get straight to the video. Welcome to CorelDRAW guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is change our size, our frame size to A5, and change the dimension to landscape. And then what we're going to do now is change the units to inches. All right, so we're going to use the size we'll be using is 8 by 5. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is import our stock images. So to import that, you either right click over here. I told you guys in my previous videos, right click and locate import. The shortcut is Ctrl+I. So, or you can go to file in your menu bar and locate import. Okay, so click on import and locate where your files are saved. All right, so locate where your files are saved, then import, select all and import. As you can see, today we are not working with so many background. I just got this Nike logo from the internet, from Google, and also this shoe. As you can see, this shoe is actually background free, so I've taken out the background. So guys, if you're new and you don't know how to take out background in Photoshop or CorelDRAW, go and check my previous videos. I have a video where you can learn how to take out background in Photoshop and in CorelDRAW. So stick around this video and let's get to it. So guys, the first thing we're going to do now is double click our rectangle tool, and once you do that, automatically it will bring itself to the frame we've created already. So double click 1 2. all right, so as you can see, it's here. So once you do that, you can see we have a stroke here. I told you guys before, if you have a stroke, make sure you take it out by right clicking on this icon over here. So click and boom, as you can see, it's gone. So the next thing we're going to do now is power clip this background inside this rectangle. So to do that, right click on it and locate power clip inside. So over here you can see power clip inside. Click on it and this arrow is going to appear telling you to locate where you want to power clip. So point to where you want to power clip it. That is, we want to power clip inside the rectangle we have here, or the frame we have here. So just point at it and click this way, and boom, as you can see, it's in here. So the next thing we're going to do guys is, as you can see, it's not fitted in. So what you're going to do is right click on it and select edit power clip. All right, so click on it and boom, as you can see, it has given us the forum to edit what is inside the frame. Now just click on it and scale this up this way. All right, so scale it up this way, and for now we're going to leave this here this way, and boom, this is what we're going to have. So the next thing we're going to do is bring in this this image we have here, and what we're going to do is use our mirror tool and flip it this way. So this is what we're going to have. Locate your mirror horizontal tool just over here at the your property bar, then just bring this over here and scale this up this way. All right, just scale it up this way, and for now let's just leave it here. So as you can see, our frame is outside. So what we're going to do is use our shape tool on your tools bar and just drag this way, select this node and bring it inside this way. All right, so for now we're going to leave this here. So the next thing we're going to do now is double click this rectangle again to bring it here. But if you don't want to double click, what you're going to do is just click on it and drag this way. All right, this is what you're going to have. So now you can drop the tool using your pick tool this way. So we can't manipulate this rectangle we just created, this box we just created. We can manipulate it. So to manipulate this rectangle or this box or this frame, what you're going to do is right click on it, convert it to curve. Ctrl Q is the shortcut. Ctrl Q is the shortcut. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, click on it and boom, as you can see, now you can manipulate it when you're done converting it to curve. Now select your shape tool on your tools bar. The shortcut is F10, as you can see as I point. All right, so click on it, and now what you're going to do is just bring this way. All right, so once you do that, bring this one this way, and now right click on this part and select to curve. What we're trying to do is converting it to curve. All right, so this way, and what you're going to see this arrow pointing and the down one also pointing. So you can use this arrow and just do something like this and like this. Okay, so I believe you understand though. Now bring this to the back this way and just do it this way, and basically we'll just leave it this way. So what we're going to do now guys is color this white, and as you can see we have a stroke over here, or an outline. So to remove this outline, just right click on this this sign at the top right corner here, and boom, as you can see, is out. So the next thing we're going to do guys is just let's scale this to this point. Okay, as you can see, our image is hidden behind. So to bring it forward, just select Shift Page Up on your keyboard, and boom, is up. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is bring in this ellipse tool and draw a cycle over here. If you don't understand guys, drop me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget all these stock images, I'll put the link and the mockup in the description below. So now the next thing I'm going to do is select this cycle we have here and select Shift on your keyboard. Now point at any of the node and drag in this way, making the cycle 2. All right, now we've doubled the cycle. So what we're going to do now is select our interactive fill tool and give it a color. Let's drag this way, and the color I'm going to use here is blue. Let's select blue color. All right, so select this one, this knot over here, and select this color mode. All right, so and once you do that, just select the color we want to do. Now we're going to use our light blue or sky blue. And okay, now what we're going to do is just shift this up just to blend the color. Okay guys, if you don't understand this gradient, I'm going to make a separate video on how to use gradient, colors, how to blend. I think I have a video where you can learn how to blend two backgrounds. Yeah, you can check my previous videos, is there. All right guys, so basically for now this is what we're going to have. So the next thing we're going to do is color this gray, give it like 30% gray. All right, now remove the stroke outline this way, and this is what you're going to have. So the next thing we're going to do is color this, give it let's say 10% gray, or basically 20%, and give this white All right, now remove the outline of this, and what we're going to do now is bring in our ellipse tool again and draw a perfect cycle. Guys, if you want to know how to draw a perfect cycle, once you select your ellipse tool, hold Control on your keyboard, press your Control while drawing it. Now press Control and draw. All right, this is a perfect cycle. Now give this one a white color. Also remove the outline, right clicking over here to remove outline. So guys, what we're going to do is go to our effects on our menu bar. If you're using Core 2020 or Core 2021, if you've upgraded, I've not upgraded mine yet, but I'll do so soon. And if you're not using it, just go to bitmap. But before you go to bitmap to apply this effect, first of all, bitmap it. All right, go to bitmap, convert to bitmap before you can apply this effect you want to do now. So if you're using this version, congratulations. Just go to effect, select blur, use Gaussian blur, and you can reduce it to basically 50 or 61.2 pixels, and boom, this is what you're going to have now. What you're going to do is right click on it and select power clip inside. Now once you do that, this arrow is going to come up asking you where do you want to power clip this object to. Now we want to power clip it inside this cycle here, so just click in this place, and as you can see, it's hidden inside. So just right click on it and select edit power clip. As you can see, it's over here. Now bring it to this point. All right, so once you do that, just bring it there and click on finish. And as you can see, guys, look at the effect we're having here. So awesome. All right, so this is what you're going to have. Now the next thing you're going to do is select your shadow tool and apply a shadow to this one here. All right, apply this shadow here. So let's reduce the feather to 10. All right, and go to your merge mode and select add. Okay, select add and go to your color shadow and select this sky blue. So once you do that, you can see we have this beautiful effect here. So guys, basically this is what you're going to have for now. So guys, what we're going to do now is select this blue color. All right, this shape here, select it and locate this node here, or the anchor point, and drag this down just to duplicate it. All right, so once you do that, you can see it's now double. All right, so basically you can actually just do copy and paste. So now we're going to bring this forward, select this, the one hidden behind, and click on shift page up and bring it forward. Also this one, bring it forward. So what we're going to do is basically give this one a white color this way, and select the blue one and push it up this way. This is what you are going to have, leaving us with this beautiful white strike here, and this awesome effect we created here. So as you can see guys, what we're going to do now is, now watch this closely. Okay, I'm going to copy this image, I'll copy it. All right, now go to your effect and select blur. Now in this case we're going to use motion blur. Now select your motion blur. Once you do that, apply the distance, all right, this way. So once you do this, you can use my settings 1666. All right, click OK, and now paste the one you have. Guys, as you can see, it's giving us like a movement, like a motion effect to this image we have here. So guys, select this the one we just did. As you can see, the frame, the background is like the motion blur we just applied made this image to like scale up. So let's use our shape tool and bring this down to fit into the frame. Select, basically just select and bring this here. All right, select and bring this here. Okay guys, this is what you're going to have. All right guys, so the next thing we're going to do now is import a calendar to this. I'm going to teach you how to import calendar in CorelDRAW. So to do this, go to tools, on your menu bar, locate scripts and click on run scripts. All right, once this appear, run macro, or it's going to appear. So go to macros in, I believe you're understanding, just go to macro in and locate calendar wizard. This calendar wizard, locate it and click on it. Once you click on it, press or click on run. All right, this is going to come up. Calendar, you can see any year you want. You can see the year, you can choose any year, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, any year you want, but basically we are in 2021, so I'm going to select 2021. Okay, so in this layout you can see different calendars the way you want it. So anyone you select, as you can see, is previewing itself here. So now let's select and see. Let's select and be saying the one we want, and basically I think I will go with this one. So I'm going to click on this. All right, so I'll just kind of make like adjust the margin, so you can actually do this and like play with it on your free schedule. Okay, so I'm going to just play with this. All right, I'm going to play with this. So I'm going to just play with this, and once you're done and you think you're okay, you can actually change the font if you want. Click, and once you click on this, you can change, adjust the font, adjust anything, but I think I'm okay with this. So just click on generate. So once you generate, all right, you wait for it and it will tell you finish generating the calendar. Now click OK and you can close this. As you can see, just delete this one. We have our calendar to this place. Okay guys, so I believe you understand how to generate calendars. You can see we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July to December. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is bring this here, January, because this is a flip calendar. It's a flip calendar, you know what it is. So I'm going to bring this over here and leave this to this way, and what we're going to do is ungroup it. Locate ungroup objects on your property bar. So select this, ungroup, and once you ungroup it, it will give you a room to like adjust or do anything, play with it anyhow. So I'm going to delete this, select this one, I don't need it, delete, and delete this one. So basically this is what you're going to have. So now I'm going to highlight this and just scale it up a bit to make it bigger. All right, so if you know calendar very well, once you flip on this one, you have January, you will see the next one February, you see the next one March, you see the next one April. So that's just basically how it is. So what I'm going to do now is change this font to, I downloaded this font just today guys. I'm going to put the link on the description so you can, you know, have fun. Now this is the font. All right, Vantley, I love this font so much. All right, so this is what you're going to have. I'm going to change the color to black now, and basically I'm going to just play around this. All right, I just want to play around this, so I'm going to generate some colors. First of all, let me just use my rectangle tool and draw a box here, and make sure it is aligned. Same to this one. All right, same to this, same to this one. As you can see guys, I'm just trying to like just play with this thing. So what I'm going to do now is select some colors. First of all, I'm going to color this I'm going to give this a let me pick a color with my color eyedropper tool. I'm going to pick this color and give it to this. All right, remove the outline and bring the letter up using using shift page up. Give it a white color. So once you do that, you can use your eyedropper to pick any color of your choice. All right, pick any color of your choice, bring it to the top and give it a white color. Select any color of your choice also. All right, remove the outline, bring this forward and give it a white color. Same thing applicable to this one. Let's give this one blue because we are working with colors. All right, give this a white color. Now I'm going to give this a gray color and also bring it up, shift page up, remove this outline, and I'm going to give this one I'll give this one, okay, let me give this sky blue. Now remove and bring it up and also give it a white color. So I'm going to give this one green, remove the outline, bring this up and give it a white color. So this is what you're going to have basically. Now the next thing we're going to do, guys, is use our ellipse tool again and drag a circle over here. So once you do that, now select this first circle here. First of all, let's give it a color so we can differentiate them. Now give it a color and remove this outline. Okay, so once you do that, select this one and select your shifts to select both. I told you before, I think I'll remember, if you want to select two objects, just hold your shift to select the second one. So once you select the second one, that means you see both of them are selected. Now click on okay, first of all, let's break this. We can work on it. Let's break this shadow apart from let's break it apart from this. Now click on Ctrl K to break the shadow apart. All right, so as you can see, the shadow is out and this one is on its own. Now select this one and select this one, click on trim. So once you do that, as you can see, it has demarcated this. Now do the same, select the inner one and click on trim also. All right, don't worry about this, we'll come to that. Now select this the shadow and click on trim also. Now just reduce this. As you can see, we have something beautiful here. So just now, as you can see, this is deformed. Right click on it and select edit power clip. Now just basically apply same thing we did before, the Gaussian blur. I believe it deformed. In case you encounter this problem, basically just this is what you're going to do. Now we're back to this. Now select this and give this a white color. All right, now put 2021 this way. All right, so break it apart, Ctrl K, and bring this forward, break this apart also, break this apart. Now align this together. All right guys, this is what you're going to have. Now the next thing we're going to do is bring in this logo. All right, bring in this logo and put it here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, we can adjust, we can apply any color to this. So to apply a color to this, first of all, convert it to bitmap. So once you do that, go to your bitmap, convert to bitmap, select on your color mode, select RGB. Okay, now go back to your bitmap, select mode, go to black and white. Okay, and now select trace bitmap, go to outline, trace, line art, and select. Now wait for it to load. So once it's done loading, you can just click OK, and now just delete this one, and basically you're left with this. Now you can apply this white color. All right, so the next one we're going to do, guys, is first of all, let's delete this. So what we're going to do now basically is I'm going to write something. Let me just write something here. Find your greatness. All right, let's give it a white color for now. Break it apart using Ctrl K. All right, once you press on Ctrl K, you break them apart. Now this is what I'm going to do. I want to select this letter G, cut it out. That's Ctrl X to cut out. Now paste it here, bring this here and scale this up a bit. All right, so once you do that, let's bring this here, and now I'm going to basically do this, bring this one this way, scale it up this way. So once I do that, I'm going to right click on it, select convert to curve. So once you do that, it's now an object, it's no longer a text. So select your shape tool. So once you select your shape tool, all this node is going to appear. So just basically select this down one and bring this down this way. It's just like manipulating text, you know, just to make it look cool. So this is what you're going to have. As you can see, guys, reduce this one, and just basically drop it there. So this is what you are going to have. Now just scale this up. So once you do that, now select your freehand tool and draw a line here, give it a wide stroke and leave that to that. All right, so basically this is what we're going to have. All right guys, this is how to design a table calendar, a simple table calendar in CorelDRAW, and how to import calendar in CorelDRAW. If you have any question, guys, don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, and guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, see you in my next video.